All right, so I did a search and Cigar Church popped up. Couldn't be that bad, right? I don't think this is where Jesus was baptized, though. Let's see if Joel Osteen is in the house. This is Grand Cathedral Cigars. Inside a 115-year-old church with vaulted ceilings. I don't think Joel Osteen smokes, y'all. Stained glass, plush seating, built in 1906 as Tampa's first congregational church. Now it's where people worship cigars. And after a destructive fire and even a lightning strike, this place nearly became a pile of bricks. Now fast forward, Angela Yu. She's a cigar lounge queen from San Diego, and she teamed up with Carlos Fuente, president of Arturo Fuente Cigars. This 8,000 square foot cigar lounge was awarded Best Lounge in 2022 by Cigar Journal, labeled as cozy, classy, and worth the buzz. In fact, here's somebody from out of town I just found. So you're visiting in Tampa. How in the world did you stumble upon this place? And is it what you thought it was going to be?
I've wanted to come here for about 5 years. I came across photos of the place via Cigar Aficionado magazine.
You didn't think it was a church?
No.
When you got here? Okay.
No,
no. That must have just been me.
When you come in here, you feel like you belong.
It sounds like you're very familiar with cigar shops.
I am.
Bars.
I am.
What do you think about this one overall?
Overall, this is, it deserved all of the credit that it gets. It has not disappointed. I can tell based on the level of detail, the person that did the interior design, they knew exactly what kind of feel they were looking for. I don't know what's up with all the deer heads around here. With regard to some of the other items, like the taxidermy items and stuff, that's stuff that is used to give it an exclusive sort of lodge feel. The lounge is deeply centered around Arturo Fuente cigars, showcased in stained glass art, making it one of the most Fuente-focused lounges in the US. And check out some of the names of the drinks they have. This bar might be the only place where sin and smoothness come in the same glass. The cocktails, names like Confession and Communion and Blessed Old Fashioned. This place gives me like vibes that I want to leave my kids for the day, leave the wife at home, and still go to church. Amen to that. And for special membership, they offer private spaces like a bell tower party room, lockers, and a second floor lounge. Although some cigar shops do sell Fuente, Grand Cathedral offers one of the largest and most immersive Fuente experience you can have. Do you recommend people to come check it out? 110%. No matter how you see it, from sacred sermons to sacred smokes, Grand Cathedral Cigars is Tampa's ultimate redemption story.